Wow. Just gonna gently try to slide everything onto the plate. Oh man, it's like a medley of different vegetables all combined into one jolly family. Ooh. Wow, you can see the smoke rising. It smells awesome. Wowee. Hi! Hello! And welcome back to the Taisei show. Here's my dear friend Mario, and we are going to continue on working on cooking some more Korean dishes. Apparently these noodles are based off of sweet potatoes, and you've got your usual garden variety vegetables, onions, carrots, jumbo mushroom. Okay. First, I'm going to slice them up. Okay, beautiful. Wow, it's fun. I'm so much fun preparing my dish. I've never made before. One day. And what do you think, Sir Mario? I think you did a wonderful job, Taisei. Oh, thank you, thank you. You're so very kind. You're so generous with your compliments. And the opposite direction. A little bit, you know, helps with the flavoring and all that jazz, so don't be afraid. This time we go first. Yeah. Wow, chemistry. 2 spoons. 1 and 2. Here you go. Then 1, so I'll add an extra spoon. Sesame seed oil. A single spoon. Spoon of sugar. Yeah, just a dash of it. And I suppose I just kind of mix it around. And also soy sauce. And top it off. Okay. And mix it out together, combining all the delectable flavors into one. Oh, it looks so colorful, a rainbow of vegetables. Oh, it looks so colorful, a rainbow of vegetables. Will be the final ingredient to add. Combine these all together into a scrumptious Korean dish. What was the name of this dish?
잡채です.
Japchae! Alright. It's ready to be served. Wow. Oh man, it's like a medley of different vegetables all combined into one jolly family. Ooh. Wow, and you can see the smoke rising. It smells awesome. Now I'm going to check it out and see what it tastes like. Ooh, gonna try to scoop up all these vegetables. Wow, so colorful. Let's see. Bon appetit! Wow! Mmm! Wow! Wowee! Mmm! Wow! It's way better than what it looks. It looks beautiful, but the taste is just to die for. Yeah! Korean dish called Japchae. Check it out! Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me again here at the Taisei Show. Thank you so much again, and until next time.